Hello everybody, this is Muzaffar. Let's look at how to set up Camunda Modeler in macOS Ventura. Camunda Modeler is used to design and deploy BPM and process diagrams, DM and decision tables, and forms to Camunda engine. Let's go and install Camunda Modeler now. Desktop modeler. You can see we can design BPMN, DMN and forms using this modeler. And it can be used to design BPN, DMN and forms for Camunda 7 and Camunda 8. Depending upon your system, you can choose whichever version you want. For me, I will choose macOS. Download has been finished. Let's go and unzip the download. There you have it. We can double click to open Camunda Modeler. We can choose to design for Camunda Platform 8, Camunda Platform 7. Let's go and open a diagram, BPM and diagram for Camunda 7. We can design the diagram here, and once the design is finished and ready for deployment, we can click on this rocket button to save and then deploy the diagram. We can also click on file. From file we can choose to create for Camunda 8 or Camunda 7. Let's open new file for DMN. That's about it for Camunda Modeler installation. Be sure to subscribe. I'll see you in next video.